In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change download settings in Google Chrome. All right, let's dive right in and get you all set up with your preferences for downloading files. To start, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's the essential first step to make these changes. Once you've got Chrome open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see three dots stacked vertically. This is your menu button, and clicking on it will open up a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select Settings. Now this is where things start getting interesting. Once you're in the Settings page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Advanced. You might not see this section immediately, so if you're having trouble finding it, remember that scrolling down is key. Clicking on Advanced will reveal a lot more options. Now that you're in the Advanced settings, you'll want to locate the section that says Downloads. This is typically toward the bottom, and once you find it, you'll see options that are highly customizable according to your downloading needs. The first thing you'll notice here is the Location option. This is where Chrome saves your downloaded files by default, and it's set to your Downloads folder unless modified. If you'd like to change this, simply click on Change and select a new destination on your computer or device for your downloads. But let's say you're someone who likes to double-check everything. Well, there's a feature for you. The option, Ask where to save each file before downloading. Enabling this provides an extra layer of control, ensuring you can decide the download location each time, rather than sticking to one default setting. Just click to toggle it on if this is something you find useful. Remember, while you're adjusting these settings, that customization is all about making your user experience better suited to your personal workflow or needs. Once you've made the changes, you can simply close the Settings tab. The changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to hunt for a Save button. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to changing download settings in Google Chrome. By following these simple steps, you can tailor your download experience, whether you prefer a default location or the flexibility to choose each time. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime you need an adjustment. Thanks for tuning in, and happy downloading.